Hi guys, so welcome to tutorial rays, and in this video I'm going to provide you the detailed tutorial about Python. So the first question is, what is Python? Python is a general purpose interpreted and object-oriented programming language. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum between 1985 to 1990, and its first release was in 1991. So the next thing is, where is Python used? It is used as a server-side web development language, artificial intelligence, robotics, game development, data science, and mathematics. The next thing is, why Python? Python is platform independent. It can run on Windows, Macintosh, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python is easy to learn. Its syntax is similar to English languages. The syntax of Python is simple. One can write more lines of code in less time as compared to other programming languages like C, Sharp, PHP, or Java. So as compared to those programming languages, writing the code in Python is less, and also it takes less time. Python is not a compiler language. It's an interpreter language. That means the code can be executed as soon as it's written. So Java, C, C++, these programming are compiler language, but instead this Python is an interpreter language. So that means this one line is checked and every line is executed. Python code doesn't have to, but it doesn't require to be compiled and then it run. So it is an interpreter language. Python code can be written in a procedural fashion, in object-oriented or functional ways. So that's it. In the next video, I will show you how to install Python in your local machine. So stay connected. See you in the next video.